Welcome to Vivero Growers Nursery. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Brandon.
All right, we are excited today to talk about some bigger succulents. I mean, some real wows that you can put in a container and set the yard off.
Exactly. We're going to start off with this big Kalanchoe. Now, there are several varieties of Kalanchoe. This is the Beharensis, and it's just got an awesome copper color. Its texture is mind-blowing, and it just is going to really wow you in a container.
Yeah, and then this one, the Pedilanthus, that's beautiful. Also, people refer to it as the lady slipper with the little fun flowers on it. And, I mean, of course, look at it. It's incredible to look at in the garden.
And the last specimen we're going to show off today is the Peruvian Cereus, also known as the Night Blooming Cactus. And it's just going to give you that vertical height that is just going to keep on going up and direct the eye. And it's just really, really fun in a pot.
Yeah, we recommend that these all you keep in containers. You know, these are great pieces for containers. We have other ones with some great size here at the nursery for containers. So come on down and see us and let us show you some of these bigger succulents.
Plenty more to choose from. Thank you.